fi Diela.
A fi Lili.
Heddiw rydyn ni'n mynd i goginio caceni bach. Da ni'n mynd i trio copio hynny. Yn gyntaf, golchi dwylo. Preheat the oven to 200 Celsius and line a cupcake tray with 12 cupcake cases.
Mum, please can I help you with the pop there? Add the butter, sugar, flour and eggs into bowl and whisk together for 2 or 3 minutes until smooth, pale and fluffy.
Damn. Between 2 bowls, adding 1/4 drop of pink gel food colouring to one and 1/4 drop of purple food gel colouring to the other. Try to see the pastel tone in each bowl. Case with 1 teaspoon of each coloured batter placed the cupcake tray into the middle of preheat the oven and bake for 20 minutes. Pam rydych chi'n rhoid yr cacennau yn y potyn, oherwydd mae'r potyn yn boeth ofnadwy a da ni'n eisiau chi ni gael ei llosgi. So, cofiwch gofyn wrth mam a dad i helpu chi, neu ddweud os ydych chi gael rhywun nhw ar ben eich hun.
Mae angen disgwyl 20 munud i'r cacennau fod yn barod.
Remove from the oven and leave to cool on a wire rack for 20 minutes. Once completely cool, use a cupcake cutter or a knife to remove the centers of each cupcake. Completely fill each center with an assortment of pink and purple sprinkled. Then push the cord piece of sponge back into the hole to secure the sprinkles and leave the cupcakes to one side. Ooh.
Whisk together the butter and sugar until pale and fluffy.
Split the mixture equally between two bowls, adding pink food colouring to one bowl and purple food colouring to the other. Mixing in each until your icing reaches a pastel tone.
Fill 2 piping bag with the buttercream, one each colour. Then cut ends. Place both into a larger piping bag. Fit with a closed stand nozzle. Pipe swirls of the buttercream into each cupcake and finally scatter with pink and purple sprinkles and dusting of edible glitter. Oedden nhw'n cweit rhy fath, nag oedd. Oherwydd ro'r piping bag ni wedi torri. Ond maen nhw dal yn edrych yn dda. Y blas di'r bwysica. Ia. Be am grioen? Ie! Barod. Mewn 3. 1, 2, 3. Oh! Diolch am wylio. Ega un diwrnod fedrwch chi un y hein sy'n asynu da byseli. Diolch am wylio. Ta-da! Da ni'n mynd i bita hein I gyd am. Cyn I rwy'n arall dwy'n nhw. Dwi'n iogi. Ta-da!